Want to know how to add friends in Paladins? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and another minute, so let's get straight to it. So adding friends in Paladins is super simple. So you just need to follow a few steps. So you can just simply follow along with me. So you can just simply open up your Paladins game and you should be provided with this main menu right here. And once you're there, on the top right side you should be seeing various navigation bars. So right beside the gear settings you should be seeing this friend icon right here. So you can just simply select it. Now it should show the amount of friends that you have. So if you don't have friends, you can just simply search for it. So for that you can just simply see the search bar right here. So you can just simply type in anything that you want. And now you can just simply see various players that exist with the username just like this right here. So you can just simply select any one of these, and once you have left clicked on it, your request will be sent automatically, and that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.